What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to find the area of a triangle using math function in C programming. Now let's look at the equation of the triangle. The equation of the triangle is S is equal to ABC, A plus B plus C divided by 2, or you can just write it like half a square. There are many different ways you can write it. So let's put area of a triangle. Area of triangle is equal to root of S times S minus A, then multiplied by S minus B, and then multiplied by S minus C, and also we can write this one as S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. A plus B plus C divided by 2. We are going to use these things to calculate the area of a triangle. Now let's go ahead and start. First I'm going to introduce some float type of variables, because if we start with float it's going to be more accurate. Okay, so let's put float right here. Float A, B, C, A, B and C, and I introduce another variable Z. Okay, so first we are going to give a prompt to the user to enter the value of A, B, C. So let's put enter the value of A, B and C. Enter the value of A, B and C, and let's put this one. Okay, enter the value of A, B and C, and then we are going to give a scanf statement. This is to get the input from the user. Here, since we are getting 3 float variables, so we had to put %f 3 times, %f 3 times, and whatever the value is the user enter, it's going to be stored in ABC. So we had to put ampersand A, ampersand, I put a comma in front, comma, ampersand A, ampersand B and ampersand C. Okay, now we have these 3 things. The next thing is we are going to call a function. We have to create a function. We are going to create a function to calculate the area. So I do the prototyping function prototype here, float area, and let's put float A, float B, float C. I have done the prototyping right here, and here I'm going to call the function. Whatever the function we are creating, I'm going to call the function. The function is going to be called as Z is equal to area A, B, C, and I write this one as function calling. Okay, now finally we are going to print out the area of the triangle. Printf statement. In this one we are going to put area of, let me leave a space. Okay, area of triangle is %.3f. If I want to print this one in, if I want to display in 3 decimal points, I put 0.3f for that, and that value is going to come from Z, so I put a Z right here. And then we are going to create the function to calculate the area. So I create a function right here, float area, and here we have 3 variables, float A, float B and float C. Inside of this one we are going to create the equation to calculate the area. Float SMX and S is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2, a plus b plus c divided by 2, and I create another equation. M is equal to s times s minus a, s minus a, and times s minus b times s minus b times s minus c times s minus c, and x is equal to, let me extend this one. Okay, here we put x is equal to square root of m, and we are going to return x from this, return x. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this one. Here it's asking you to enter the value of a, b, c. Let's put some random values, 13, 12, actually 12, 13, 14. You can put whatever the value you want. It's going to calculate the area for you. Area of the triangle is 72.308, and that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you're trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next time.